Hi guys, Alec Pierce at the Wrench, and here I am at the Wrench kitchen. Now I got special permission to come to the kitchen. This is Diana's workspace. She's not allowed in the garage. She's allowed anywhere, but anyway, here we are in Diana's kitchen. And you need to know, a lot of the tips, a lot of the things I do around the ranch are for Diana, to make her life easier, to make her happier, so that I'm happy. You understand how it works. Anyway, this is one of those tips. I was cruising through, I don't know, Amazon, on the internet one day, and I spotted this thing, and I said, gosh darn, there's a good idea. And it is a good idea. You know, if it's a bit dark in the room, you haven't got all the lights on, and you want to take something out of a lower cabinet in a kitchen, sometimes it's hard. You have to bend over and get right down to see what's certainly at the back. It can be a nuisance. Now, certainly if you come into the kitchen area, or any cabinet, I also have these in the laundry room, and a couple other places around the house. Any place where there's an under-counter cabinet. I guess it could be used up here too, I guess. No reason why not. But any place where there's an under-counter cabinet, where you have to bend down and it's dark in there, these are a great idea. Okay, what are these? These are lights. It's that simple. You look at it very closely. Devin, take a quick look here. You can see that there's a battery, snaps in on the back. Simple enough, right? And then on the front, there is three little LED lights, incredibly bright. Now, it's not all that bright right here because it's bright right here. But if it's nighttime and it's down in the under-counter cabinet, which is dark, black, and you put this on, trust me, it's white. And then as you can see as well, there's a little plunger on the end here. So how does this work? Well, it's really very simple. If you have a reasonably modern kitchen, then you're going to have reasonably modern hinges. Those hinges that don't show. If you have the hinges, and you look around your kitchen, and you have the hinges that are fastened to the outside, the older style brass hinges, and they're just screwed into the cabinet, this won't work. But if you have any kind of a modern style hinge, one of these types of hinges right here, then you can use these. Okay? It comes in two parts. This is one part. The other part is really just a flat plastic piece that goes right on top of the hinge, right there. Okay? And once that's in place, then this piece, I'm going to show you in a second, snaps on just like that. And then when the door closes, the door pushes on the plunger. There's light on and off. How does it work? I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to put this one back in place where it belongs. And you see, once you have that first piece installed, this piece snaps right on there, just like that. Snaps right into place. Okay, let's see how it works. Hang on a second, I'm going to turn the lights off. Nothing, 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 nothing. Look at that. And there's one on each side. So this cabinet, which is all of our pots and pans, look at, even the upper shelf is lit, so I can see everything on the upper shelf and the bottom shelf, and it's fantastic. And you can see everything without having to bend over, reach down to get what you want. Okay, we'll close one. Oh, half off. I'll close the other one. Just that easy. Now the best thing, my idea is, first of all, check that your hinges work, and then go and get them. They're cheap. I think they're Amazon, they're cheap. And get some spare batteries. The batteries last a long time. But if you put them on cabinets that you use a great deal, 2 or 3 times a day, obviously they're going to wear. So get a few batteries at the same time, just for spares, but they do last a long time. And of course they don't wear out if you're not using them. And then don't tell your wife. I don't know what the way you do things. I love to surprise people. Okay, so send your wife off, or she's off for an hour. Install a whole bunch of them. Don't tell her about them, and then the next evening say, "Listen, dear, would you mind getting me something from the kitchen?" And she'll come out. Okay, she opens it, and the lights go on. She will love you. Okay, there you go. Little tip. Help your wife. Help the kitchen. Take care of things at the ranch. Talk to you soon. Alec Pierce at the Ranch.